Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to make all posts private in Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Now as an example, if I go to my profile and if I scroll down, then you can see that I have uploaded several posts from here. And now I am going to make all of my posts to private. If you want to make all your posts to private, then here you click on three lines at the top right corner. After that, click on settings icon at the top. Then just scroll down. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. After that, click on activity log from here. Then click on your Facebook activity. After that, just scroll down. Then here you click on posts. After that, click on your posts, photos and videos option from here. Now here you can see your all Facebook posts. If you want to make all posts to private, then just check the select all box from here. After that, click on three dots at the bottom right corner. Then click on change audience option from here. After that, click on change audience button from here. Then here you select only me. After that, click on change to change the settings. Now your all posts have been private. Only you can see your posts. So if I go to my profile and refresh this page, and if I scroll down, then you can see that all of my posts have been private. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.